it's a pretty nice department store though. We're still on the second floor, and here is towards the center of the mall. You got an H&M over there. You know that's a Swedish store, really? Translate in Swedish. Hers and Maurits is the translation. Hers and Maurits. That means they carry both sex clothes for both sexes, male, female, unisex. But anyway, this is the Marquee Mall. So there is a third level up there, and I think up there's some jewelry stores and a few other things. Today I'm not going to take the time to get up there, but there is a lot of stores in here, and you can certainly find what you're looking for. Where was that motorcycle store, hon? Where's the motorcycle store? Accessories. It was here somewhere, right? Let's walk and see if we can find it. It's always interesting to look for some accessories for your motorcycle. There's so many stores in here, it's unbelievable. It's like when you get in here, it's like you're no longer in Philippines. This could be any American mall, Swedish mall, European mall. Could be literally anything. My wife apparently met somebody she knows here, so got to give them a minute. I just kept walking. All right. Who was that, huh?
He said he saw me before. He said that.
Oh, she recognized you? You don't know who it is?
Yeah, I said, you live in orphanage? No.
Orphanage?
Yeah.
Did she live in an orphanage?
I don't know.
Watson? Alright, so we got a couple of pharmacies here as well. Yeah, here's another furniture store. They got some really nice furniture in here. No, it has nothing to do with money. We already spent a lot of money, and
once in my life.
Kids are having fun in our couch, and that's what happens to it. There we got some. So in this circle, it's interesting. This whole thing is like a big circle. And I think it was I think the motorcycle was on here somewhere, but I can't remember where it were, and they might not even be here anymore. Stores open and closed, huh? And here's another furniture store. Some really nice bedrooms, couches. Beds, king beds, queen beds. Here you go, a busy salon, or barber shop, really. That's what it was. But here's one motorcycle accessory shop. That Black Panther looks pretty cool. Alright, so True Value Home Center, that's a hardware store, True Value. I guess they have them in the United States too, I think. And then you have another electronic store here. Samsung TV. Yeah, the QLED.
Yeah. I like the cord one.
Huh?
I like the one that has
Yeah, they're pretty cool. How much are these? They are, yeah, they're,
It's 90.
that's 65 inch, right?
Yeah, ooh, too big.
65 inch, and it is 90,000, almost $2,000. Short, 200 short of 2,000. All right, let's head out this way. This is the park. This park, I don't know if it's the park, but back here you have restaurants. So let's take it down to the restaurant area. TDI Fridays is a big chain in the United States, and they do serve good food. I have never really been here before, but they do have TDI here on the corner. So, and that's where Starbucks is, right across. So here we got the famous Starbucks. That's another thing they have everywhere here, and then they have, you know, other cafes. Ichabod. Right, so TDI Fridays and Starbucks are very, very tight together. In the back of Marquee Mall. So you can walk through the mall, come down from the second floor and walk straight out, and it is right there. Vang Food, that gotta be some Chinese, right? That's almost packed in there. Chinese cafe. Extremely Espresso Cafe. That's another one. All right, so here's the outside of H&M. That's I think the clothing store originally originated from my home country in Sweden. It was called Hennes and Mauritz. And that has now become a franchise around the world, and they also been heavily criticized, I think, for something that they try to portray that they do not use, and that is child labor. And I think at some point they were accused of that. So yeah, this is the park area back here, hon. Here they have some outdoor seating. I think there's a cafe over on that side and a few restaurants. And here you have Jerry's restaurant, yeah, Jerry's Grill, restaurant and bar, I guess they call it. But somebody said they have pretty good food, so. Flowers sold here.
I remember this area.
What?
When I saw Pele in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. They went here one time, right?
Yeah.
So Italianis. I never eat there. Maybe we need to go and come back and try that. Need to try it. Yeah, Italianis. Maybe we need to try it. Come back, try it. And there's a few more cafes down this way. So, all right, and over there you have the coffee bean and tea leaf as well, where you can have a cup of coffee. All right, guys, we just found the parking here, and we're going to try to get out of here, and we are wrapping this one up for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. You get the notifications. Like we said earlier, we're bringing up a new series of videos here. Going to come probably starting this weekend, and we're going to go and do that. So make sure to get notified by hitting the subscribe and the bell button. Bye for now. God bless.